Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting deep dive into the ever-evolving world of AI. Today, we're putting the spotlight on two groundbreaking technologies, Google DeepMind's Genie 2 and Tencent's HunyuanVideo. These AI models are taking virtual environments and video generation to levels we've only dreamed of. So, buckle up because this is going to be a thrilling ride. Let's start with Google DeepMind's Genie 2. Imagine stepping into a virtual world that builds itself around you in real time. Trees grow, rivers flow, buildings appear, all generated dynamically as you move. This is what Genie 2 delivers. It's not your typical game engine. Instead, it's a diffusion model that creates and simulates 3D environments frame by frame, giving you the experience of walking through a living, breathing world. What makes this so revolutionary is how Genie 2 solves a long-standing issue in world generation, memory. Previous models would forget what was behind you the moment it left your view, making the environment feel disjointed. Genie 2 remembers where objects are and seamlessly reconstructs them when they reappear in your line of sight. This creates a much more realistic and immersive experience. And it doesn't stop there. Genie 2 can handle multiple viewpoints, first person, third person, even isometric, and it only needs a single image prompt to kickstart the world-building process. You can feed it a photo you snapped or use an input from Google's Imagen 3 model, and it just takes off. It even simulates basic interactions like rippling water, drifting smoke, and other simple physics effects. These small details make the digital worlds it creates feel reactive and alive. However, there's still a limitation. Right now, Genie 2 can maintain a coherent environment for about 6 seconds before visual artifacts start to appear. This isn't perfect, but considering how new this technology is, it's a major leap forward. DeepMind sees Genie 2 as a research tool for now, using it to train advanced AI agents like their SEMA algorithm. But the long-term potential is massive. Think VR training simulations, game design, or even virtual cinematography where environments adapt to the player or viewer's actions in real time. DeepMind has hinted at even bigger possibilities, like integrating Genie 2 into traditional game engines to create hybrid workflows. Imagine AI quickly generating the raw building blocks of a game while human designers focus on refining the narrative and emotional resonance. That's the future Genie 2 is paving the way for, and honestly, it's hard not to get excited about it. Now, let's shift gears to Tencent's HunyuanVideo. If you've ever dreamed of creating Hollywood-level visuals without a Hollywood-level budget, HunyuanVideo is here to make that a reality. This open-source video generation model boasts a staggering 13 billion parameters and is redefining what's possible in video creation. HunyuanVideo goes beyond simple text to video. It can animate still images, create lifelike avatars, and even generate sound for video content. One of its standout features is its token refinement process. Let's say you prompt the model with a man walking his dog. Instead of just giving you a basic clip, the model enriches the scene with details like lighting conditions, background elements, and even subtle character movements, producing a video that feels vivid and complete. The quality here is no joke. HunyuanVideo rivals industry heavyweights like Runway Gen 3 and even OpenAI's much-anticipated Sora. In fact, human evaluations show that its image quality and motion consistency are on par with, or even surpass, some of the best commercial models out there. And because it's open source, developers and researchers can tweak and fine-tune it to make it even better. Of course, there's a catch. Running HunyuanVideo locally requires a beast of a GPU, at least 60 gigabytes of memory. But Tencent has made it accessible through cloud services and pay-per-video solutions, so even if you don't have top-tier hardware, you can still use it. Early tests show a generation time of about 15 minutes per video. While that's not instant, it's still remarkably fast for the quality you're getting. Another game-changing feature is its ability to create motion-driven animations. You can use reference footage to guide the motion of a character or object in your video. This level of control opens up endless creative possibilities, from choreographing complex dance sequences to simulating realistic movements for animated avatars. So, how do these two models stack up? Genie 2 excels at creating immersive, interactive 3D worlds, making it a game-changer for AI training, game design, and virtual simulations. On the other hand, HunyuanVideo is all about high-quality video production, allowing creators to generate photorealistic sequences, animations, and more with unprecedented ease. Together, these models represent a massive leap forward in AI-driven content creation. Whether it's building entire virtual environments or crafting stunning video content, the future is here, and it's mind-blowing. Before we wrap up, if you're as excited about AI advancements as I am, don't forget to subscribe to the AI Daily Digest. It's your go-to newsletter for the latest AI updates, trends, and tools. The link is in the bio, so make sure to check it out. And, of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the fascinating world of AI. Let me know in the comments, are you more intrigued by Genie 2's dynamic world building or HunyuanVideo's incredible video generation capabilities? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.